It's Friday!
Yay, it's Friday, man! It's Friday day. It's Saturday.
Let's do something challenging, Ali.
Let's do it. Offer me anything. You name it, we do it.
Then Mount Fuji.
Let's do it. When?
Are you in?
In.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow
Let's
is
do
Saturday.
it.
Okay.
Fine, do
Deal?
it. Deal. Cheers,
Let's
guys.
go.
Mount Fuji, wait for us.
Hey guys, we are at the tip of Japan and this is a volcanic mountain Fuji, and we are at a 3,775 meter above the sea level, and it was not easy journey. We said on Friday we're going to do the challenge,
Yeah.
and we did it. Go through the video, watch it how we did it.
We have completed our preparations and departed from Yokohama at 4 p.m.
Here we go to Mount Fuji.
Yeah. Weather is so nice. Hopefully it's going to be clean and clear. No wind on the top. No rain. No rainfalls.
That's right.
That's what we're looking for.
We planned to climb by the Yoshida Trail starting from the 5th station. This time, visitors are allowed to access the 5th station by personal cars, which is normally prohibited. However, you have to enter the Fuji Subaru line before 6 p.m., which is the only road that has access to the 5th station.
We are above the clouds, right? I can't see anything.
We're above the clouds,
yeah. Already.
Right.
This is the 5th station. Normally you come here by shuttle bus or
Where is the parking here, man?
taxi and start climbing. It's sunset time now, so we're gonna witness sunset and sunrise tomorrow. Fuji's just over there. We're gonna climb that. Now we are recording Mount Fuji sunset.
Basic things are, of course, it's going to be cold, so you need the warm stuff. We start from the boots. You need to have a boots, but it's good if you have the ankle close part, longer boots. But I took these ones because I had the longer one, and I wanted to have the short ones too. Then, of course, socks, and plus you need to have a thick socks, wooden socks, wool socks maybe, made by babushkas in the bazaars. I got this in Georgia. Then pants, some change stuff that you need, and of course you'll need I hope this will do. It's my let's say the coat if it rains, raincoat. Then what do you call it, leggings inside the pants, and flashlight, the headlight, which you're going to put on your head because we're going to start our climb at 8 o'clock in the evening, and you'll definitely need the gloves. I took my snowboarding gloves, which are quite funny. And what else? Of course, you need a towel and then the sweatshirt. It's going to be cold, guys, so I took my beanie here, and beanie's there ready. And when we'll be descending, obviously it's going to be hot, so I took my hat. Also the neck covering part, scarf. If you have a scarf, that will do as well. And of course you need a cigarette if you smoke.
Guys, those are the necessary stuff that you're gonna bring. In addition, bring some face masks because you will, while you are descending, the trail is gonna be quite dusty. So keep your face covered. Don't bring walking sticks, it's too much. Like, the trails are quite easy, aren't they?
Especially the Yoshida one.
Maybe oxygen
depends.
tubes, yeah.
Yeah, oxygen. things
Oxygen
are-
tube, probably not necessary, or small tents.
Well, if somebody has a hard times in breathing, then you definitely need maybe that tank of the oxygen.
Yeah, but those are all extra loads. You're gonna be carrying your backpack and stuff. And we are thinking of buying water and drinks on the way, right?
On the way, yeah.
And every single station there will be some huts, there will be like washrooms. So if you bring cash, you can buy drinks.
Right.
The fifth station has shops and restaurants. In case you forget to bring some essential stuff, you can buy them here. Also, have some warm meal before the kickoff. We are going to do bullet climbing. In Japanese, dangan touzan. It's a way of climbing Mount Fuji during the night without proper sleep and rest, and descending next day morning. This type of climbing is strongly discouraged, since the bullet climbers tend to have more mountain sickness, low oxygen saturation, and serious fatigue. Okay, here we go. Climbing route.
Yoshida, which is
6 kilometers till the summit. Yoshida Trail. But this 6 kilometers is different than regular 6 kilometers, right?
exactly. You are
Yes.
ascending 6 kilometers.
Right now we are moving in the middle of darkness.
People are eating inside, and still the stuff here. Oh,
You have energy?
oh, that's the oxygen. Oh, 2,300 yen.
And there's a
Chips, and there's a lamp.
Do you
Look,
have-
crazy.
do you have
Drinks.
some energy?
Look, the drinks are 400 yen. Fuck's sake, 400 yen.
The trail gets rocky and steep. We took short breaks and kept moving until we reached the station 9, where we were planning to stay. Reaching the summit too early is not recommended, since you will have to wait for the sunrise at much colder conditions.
Haman-san, give up? Huh? Give up? Let's get back home, man. Sweet dreams. Eating ice cream. Having beer. Come on, let's give up. Oh, it's a very rocky place. And quite steep, man.
We have reached station number 8, and here is first aid corner. There is no way you can lose the trail, because there will be rope like this or a chain. So if you keep following them, you will never lose your way. So I see the chain there, and also on this side. At 1:30 a.m. we arrived at station 9, which is 16 minutes away from the summit. So we decided to take a short nap, but the hut was fully booked. We had to try sleeping outside, but it didn't work as the temperature was around 5 degrees Celsius. After a while, spaces became available in the hut. We were able to take a 30-minute nap for 3,000 Japanese yen. When you get closer to the summit, it will get very crowded because everyone's trying to be at the top just before the sunrise. Consider this congestion and have extra time in pocket so you do not miss the best moment on the summit. Just reached the top. This is the summit. Sun is gonna rise in 10 to 15 minutes just from there. Is that Ali-san? Oh, our guy is here. Man, where have you been? Oh, it's dark. I can see your face. Can you turn this way? Oh, you made it.
I made it, man.
The summit is clear of the clouds. We sat down and enjoyed the breathtaking scene. After the sunrise, we went around the crater rim. The trail is about 2.6 kilometers and the hiking takes 1 to 2 hours. You get to see the amazing views of the crater as well as the silhouette of the mountain. Mount Fuji last erupted about 300 years ago. It is estimated that the next eruption will cause around 25 billion USD damage and make 750,000 people evacuate.
こんにちは。じゃあブーンやりましょう。ブーン。
あ、こうですか。どうもすみません、ありがとうございます。
元気にしてください。いつもお疲れ様です。ありがとうございます。みんなの安全ね。
さすがにここまで奥に立ってると使っていただきます。
どうも。Is one of the people in charge. They have the great poles telling the people go this way, that way. Is it dangerous? That part is dangerous.
While climbing the mountain, you are expected to donate 2 to 300 Japanese yen for using the toilets. They are quite clean and well maintained. Of course, the drink vending machines are everywhere, even on the highest point of Japan. The temperature drops very fast as you ascend. Here are the comparisons. Here are the details of Mount Fuji climbing trails. There are 4 routes. Which one to choose is up to your personal preferences. The altitudes at the trailheads. As you see, Gotemba is the lowest, which will take longer to reach the summit. Ascending time is usually 6 to 11 hours, again Gotemba being the most challenging one. Descending time is quite short. However, Fujinomiya has only one trail for both ascending and descending, which could cause congestion during the busy season. Many mountain huts and shops are available at the Yoshida and the Fujinomiya trails. Are you allowed to access the trailheads by your personal vehicle? Yes, for Gotemba. It's always open for passenger cars, but other trailheads are usually accessed by the shuttle buses. How many people climb from each trail? Yoshida is the most popular, while only around 12,000 people climb the Gotemba Trail each year. Now we're gonna descend. We are starting at 9 o'clock, right? 9 a.m. It starts now. Wow. Look at this. And you have to be careful with this signs. If you came by Yoshida Trail, you must go that way where all the sun is. Subashiri that way. So don't end up in the wrong side.
I've got a headache. Not sure why. Altitude. Possibly yes. At night it was cold. It's quite cold. I got my belly and the backbone frozen. I had the headache since I made it to the summit. I was so excited, maybe I couldn't understand that something was bothering me.
Allison has been experiencing a serious headache since we reached the summit. As soon as we made it back to the 5th station, he visited the first aid center. He was diagnosed with mountain sickness, having low oxygen saturation level. This was obviously due to the bullet climbing. He was told to go to the city center as quickly as possible. That's all from Mount Fuji, and we strongly recommend anyone in Japan to experience climbing it.